Today we're going to show you how to install a steering damper on a CRF. These no longer come stock, and I had a 2008 and a 2014 before this 2018, and I really missed having one, so I ordered one off Rocky Mountain, and this is the 24mm size because I do mostly trail riding and enduro riding. So you're going to have to take the front number plate off first. You're going to need an 8mm, and there's 2 bolts that secure it to the frame here. So I got the bolts out, and the number plate should just pop off. Make sure you take off this tether here. And the steering damper should bolt in right here. So we're going to take out this bolt and replace it with the one that they gave us. These are the 3 parts that came with the actual steering damper. Make sure that you order a steering damper that includes all these parts. I got mine off Rocky Mountain, so I'm going to post a description or a link below to that purchase. So you're going to need a 10mm for this bolt. So we'll take this out. So you probably won't need this bolt anymore because it came with a longer bolt, which you'll need for the steering damper. And so it's going to go like this. Make sure that the logo or the up sign is facing outward. So you're going to put the big bolt through the top, and then you're going to use this piece. It goes on like that. And then we'll start bolting that on. And then here's the other bolt that goes on the bottom. So once you have those threads started, just tighten it up with a 10mm. There you go. And then here's the tensioner here. So adjusting it to the right will make it more aggressive. And then backing it off, there should be 14 stops in there. Backing it off to the left will make it a little less aggressive, and adjust it to your liking. I'm going to start with the aggressive side and see if I like it that way, and adjust it from there. So there you go.